Good morning class. How are you all? So hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn about coordinate geometry. First question is find the coordinate of a point A where coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle and center coordinate is 2, -3, B coordinate is 1, 4. So you have to find out the coordinate of point A. That is we are considering it as x1, y1. So what will be the value of x1, y1? When there is a 1:1 because here OA is equal to OB. So it will be divided into what ratio? That is 1:1. So 1:1. If the ratios are same, you can apply the formula like this. X is equal to, what is x? x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x? That is the coordinate of the center point, that is x, y. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. In the similar manner, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, now what we need to find out, this is x, y1 and x1. So put the values here. X is 2. Write down 2 here. What is the value of x? 2. x1 is x1 in place of x1, x1. In place of x2 we are writing 1 divided by 2. Divide by 2 here. So what will be the value? 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1. So the value of x1 will be 4 minus 1, it is 3. How? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4. I am writing here 4 is equal to x1 plus 1. x1 plus 1. So this 1 will be transposed, it will be subtracted. 4 minus 1, it is equal to 3. And y value is y1. Y value is given -3. In place of y1, you will put y1 plus y2 is 4 divided by 2. Divide by 2 here. So now our next question is AB is a line segment whose coordinates are given. Point A coordinate is having -2, -2 and coordinate B is having the coordinate that is 2, -4. 2, -4 and a point P which lie on AB or which divide the line segment into 3 ratio and complete line segment, that is AP upon AB is given 3:7. So 7 indicates the whole line segment is divided into 7 equal parts. How many parts it will be divided? It is 7 equal parts. A to P, it is 3 parts, 3 equal parts, because it is writing here AP is equal to 3 by 7. So it is 3 parts for AP. So what will be the left part? P to B, how many parts will be there? So it is 4. Okay, so 3:4. Because if we want to find out the point coordinate of point P, so we need to find out the ratio first. Okay, now use the section formula. What is section formula? That is x coordinate of P. X is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 upon m plus n, where m and n are the ratios. M and n are the ratios. Put the value A, m, that is 3, x2 is 2, n is 4 and x1 is -2, m plus n. So when you are solving this, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8 with negative sign upon 7. Solve this part -2 by 7 here. Now find out the y coordinate also. M y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Put the values and you will get the y coordinate also. So the coordinate of point P are minus 2 by 7. This is your x coordinate, and coordinate of y, that is minus 20 by 7. Now in next question, AB is a line segment. A coordinate is minus 2 comma 2 and B is having coordinate 2 comma 8. And it is also given the line is divided into 4 equal parts. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RD. They didn't give you a ratios of these points. You need to find out the coordinate of these points. P point coordinate, coordinate of Q point, coordinate of R point. So we need to find out a coordinate. We need ratio value. So what will be the ratio of P point? It will be, this is one part of a line and this is the 3 part of a line. So we will consider AP to PB last point. So it is 3 point of a line. So this is the 1:3. For Q point, what will be the ratio? Here are 1 part, 2 part. It is 2 part ratio. How much part is this? Is 1 part, 2 part. So it is also 2:2. Okay. Now the third coordinate. How much part? This point like 1 part of a line, 2 part, 3 part. So this is 3 part and the 1 part is, so R to B, this is 1 part. Okay beta. Now we are having ratios also. We can find out the coordinate value. Coordinate, first we are finding coordinate of P, that is x is equal to m of, this is 1 into m of, I am writing m of x2 plus n of x1 upon m plus n. So what is the value of m for this particular value? This is 1 into x2. x2 is last value, coordinate of B, n is 3, x1 is minus 2, upon 1 plus 3, it is 4. So values are 1 plus 2, it is 2 minus 6 by 4. Minus 4 by 4, the value is minus 1. The value is minus 1 for coordinate P. For coordinate y, it will be m of y2, n of y1, m plus n. M plus n. So m, what is the value of m? 1, y2 is 8, n is 3, y1 is 2. y1 is 2. 1 plus 3. 8 plus 6 by 4, 14 by 4. It means 7 by 2. 2 minus 1, comma 7 by 2. Minus 1, comma 7 by. When they are in equal distance, 2 is to 2, we can apply as such QA is equal to this up minus 2 plus 2 by 2. This is 0 by 2, you can say 0. B coordinate y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that is 10 by 2, it is equal to 5. This is a fast process if you want to apply. If you want to solve by section formula, you will get the same answer. So the coordinate of Q point, the coordinate will be 0, 5. Okay beta. Now coordinate of point R. R will be m. m is 3, x2, this is 2, plus n is 1 and x1 is minus 2 upon 3 plus 1, it is 4. 6 minus 2 by 4, 4 by 4, it is equal to 1. And this is your n coordinate. And if I am talking about n coordinate, it is 3 of y1, that is y2, I am sorry, it's y2. 1 of y1, it is 2, upon 3 plus 1. 24 plus 2 upon 4. 26 by 4. 13 by 2. The coordinate of R point, the coordinate of R point, the coordinate of R point that is equal to, this is 1 comma 13 by 2. 1 comma 13 by 2. You know very well here the coordinate of this P point, this is equal to, we have already given, this is 0 comma 5, and the coordinate of LM, this is R, that is 1 comma 13 by 2. 1 comma here 1 comma 13 by 2. Students, our next question is very important from your examination point of view. It is find area of rhombus if the vertices are 3, 0, all the vertices are given, 4 vertices are given. This is your rhombus having equal sides. Okay, you need to find out the area of a rhombus. What is the formula for area of a rhombus? This is diagonals. Area of rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals. What is the meaning of product? It means multiplication of these two diagonals. Okay, so what should be? First you need to find out AD value with the help of distance formula. What is the value of A to C? That is x2 minus x1 plus square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is 3 minus minus, it becomes plus 3 plus 1 square, 0 minus 4 whole square. 3 plus 1, that is 4 square, and 0 minus 4, it is 4 square. Minus 4 when you are, so it will be in square. 4 square plus 4 square, it makes 4 root 2. Similarly, we will find out the distance of BD diagonal, that is 4 here, 4 plus 2 square, 5 minus minus, it makes plus. So 5 plus 1 whole square. Here, when you are solving 6 square plus 6 square, it is 6 root 2. Over the value will be, AD value is 4 root 2 and the BD diagonal having value 6 root 2. Now, area of diagonals, that is equal to area of rhombus, this is area of rhombus, that is equal to half into product of its diagonal. Product, it means AC into BD. I am writing here AC into BD. What is the value of AC? That is 4 root 2. And what is the value of BD? That is 6 root 2. When you are solving this, 2 2s are 4. Root 2 makes 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 6s are 24. The value of area of rhombus, that is equal to 24. So students, this video helped you to solve the exercise question. Thank you so much.